Today we're doing a one-take review of HenDough Chicken and Donuts in Hendersonville, North Carolina. Got myself the Nashville hot chicken biscuit with Brussels sprouts. Put some hot honey on that. To pick that thing up, need a fork. Try those Brussels sprouts. Man, look at that. Mm. 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 That's an amazing aioli. I don't know what that is. A garlic aioli. Mm. I'm gonna have to pick that up or something. Look at that. Mm. Mm. Amazing. Biscuit's so buttery. And the jalapeno honey. And that Nashville. Mm. Wish it had a little more of a kick, but it's really, really good. Mm. Mm. Then I got the apple bacon bear claw, the caramelized bacon. Mm. Very light, very fluffy, really good bacon taste. Little chunks of apple. Phenomenal.